Hi guys, my name is Olivia Rencher. I will be a junior at Marquette this year, studying biomedical sciences on the pre-med track. Over the past month and a half, I have been working with Maria Gracia Morpinos and Katarina Fisher in their efforts to study wound healing and tissue regeneration. The main question my lab wants to answer this summer is whether cultivating a population of myeloid and monocyte cells in a DB mice or DB patient will advance the results of tissue regeneration and wound healing following the day of injury. To answer this question, we decided to use a mouse model for its anatomical and clinical relevance. We first wound the animals, making a small incision on their back. Unlike humans, muscles surrounding a mice's wound would contract, snapping their skin shut and healing the wound in a matter of minutes to hours. To inhibit this biological response, our lab has decided to use a silicone ring. Once that incision is made, we will suture a silicone ring around the incision to hold the skin in place, ensuring that muscle will not contract and heal that wound rapidly. In doing so, we can then study their tissue regeneration and the cells and the upregulation of genes that is going on while that tissue is repairing, and it's more so mimicking the tissue regeneration response of a human so that we can study it for wound healing treatments and future advancements in the clinical field. Days after the incision is made and the silicone ring is set in place, we will then take samples from their skin, bone marrow, spleen, blood, and study that and study those cells and run flow and basically analyze them to advance our research. My main task this summer has definitely been to suture the animals and wound them on surgery days in preparation for sample extraction. Diabetic patients are in a chronic state of inflammation, putting them at a higher risk for a variety of health concerns. With our research, we hope to recover a treatment that will aid diabetics in their wound healing and tissue recovery. I have learned so much this summer, and I only know it will help me in my future endeavors.